Well, you decided to change the permissions of your user. But how to do this easily and quickly? Now I'll show you. Go to your settings and then tap on the team section. This is a place where you manage all of your users. To swiftly change the permission of each particular user, you should hover over this person, then tap the right button of the mouse and tap on permissions. The system will open a modal window in which you can change the permission of this particular user. For example, now we have invoices, but I don't want this user to work with invoices anymore and want him to generate reports. So I tap on reports and disable invoices. After that, I need to tap on save, and the information will be saved. Next time, when this user will log into Jusnote, he won't see the invoices tab anymore, but will have reports and can accomplish your tasks to make your law firm grow faster.